Oh, I caught a monkey.
You got a monkey?
You got a monkey?
I got a monkey.
Trevor,
What?
want some bananas for your manky?
Feed it to it?
Yeah.
If you want.
All right. Thank you so much for coming out. This was.
Wash your hands.
Woo! Woo!
Howdy, how are you?
High five. High five.
I've been holding my hand up, dude, for like 5 minutes.
I'm blind.
I mean, do you ever think about it, like how many
You
people
touched it.
had to die to make this graveyard? It's like, it's human ingenuity, isn't it?
I've been holding my hand up. Yay!
What's up? What's up, Space?
How's it going? Not too much.
Nice. Yeah.
This with me. Also now, there's a little program, anything that falls under the Rooster Teeth umbrella, opportunity where now,
Go Packs!
Stop. Hey.
woo!
Hey, girl! Hey, guys!
But for 2017, we want to be able to do more, give you more, and like keep up this standard of quality that we feel we've been trying to do from the beginning. Kind of goodies that we can share together.
You guys did a good job.
Oh, fucking shit. Welcome back to Retroactive!
Whoa! I haven't done this show.
It's a new.
in
Have we
forever.
done it in?
Oh, dude.
Have we done it in
Sub-Zero
the new year?
was the last one. Remember
Was that last year?
No, that was this year, I think.
Really?
I think it was in January. Yeah.
Ugh.
Dude, it was a long time ago.
Take a step up here. I'll talk to you a little bit about fit and what I'm looking for. I'm not.
I got you.
I got him, James.
Whoa. Good job, man. That was good. That was neat.
That's a start, right? It's definitely a start. Definitely a
Why
start.
did you do this? Huh? You did this. Like this.
Come on, man.
Usually the movies take a little bit of time to like pick up, and then he hits out one of these like chops. He goes. I could just speed run through this then. Look at this. Ooh, nice combo. Ooh, dude. See, he's fucking dead already.
For a while, some of you said, please do a podcast. We'll do a special moving 2017 Catch Up Goes to LA podcast, and that will be that goal.
Nice to meet you. Nice. Go.
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
What? You made me nervous. Hey.
What?
If it's that awkward.
Yeah.
Woo! Hey, how's it going?
Go Packs.
Thanks. Welcome right back at you.
Oh, it's a hoverboard.
Sure is.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hey, have a good one.
What?
Sorry.
Go Packs.
Hit him with that. Ooh.
20 elbows is my attack. Got it. Oh, nice, dude.
No, that wasn't on purpose.
First two tiers, they're kid stuff, it's pussy shit. We can do better. I believe in you guys. The gold tier is where it's at. Okay? Gold tier.
Yep.
Stop.
Yeah, go Packs, man.
Hey, what's up, bros? Give me a bro fist. Give me a bro fist. Give me a bro fist.
Jump this tree branch. I'm gonna figure out how to get around this.
Can you pick it up, Brett?
Look out.
Yeah, all right. Stand against the fake people. We have to. They will not divide us.
Not divide us. Listen, we're in a barn in Colorado.
Stop. That was an advanced one.
Right here.
You're James.
Yeah, I'm James.
Okay.
We're YouTubers for life, right?
Go Packs.
Hello.
Hi.
In addition to those things, let's just have some fun in the house.
I think I'm.
Return to thine world.
What are we doing? Let's do it. Double or nothing.
I don't know.
Out here at PAX, dude.
In addition to that, just the people who can,
Clap.
are able to afford the $5 a month, which we appreciate
Clap.
you either way. Ruin it immediately. Great. With, hey, that disposable income that means the world to us.
Dude, I love Spider-Man, I love this series, but what if he could hang out with Minnie Mouse?
I mean,
the ultimate crossover. You loved, like, Civil War, you loved, like, the greatest.
But our first show, in case you haven't been following Twitter and all the clues we've been dropping,
Keep clapping, dude.
we're doing... But Trevor's got the most hair. He's got that just...
I'm the head chef.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
I will be.
That's looking good on you, especially for the backside.
Did you just want him to wear that so you could look at him wearing it?
I'm a fan of cowboys.
I never knew that.
There's like crumbs on this couch. Oh, it's pieces that burnt.
Are you guys just gonna be
Pieces
Team
of birds.
Villager?
Team Villager. Shit.
Fucking. What are these?
oh shit, blood brothers and sisters. Did they do that? Like we're.
Yeah,
I'm cold.
I'm hot.
Feel
I'm
my
sweaty.
Feel my hands, like they're cold.
All the heat into your stomach.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Alright. For those of you guys watching Crossout right now.
Go PAX, man. Hey, man. Just do 4.
Why are you like introing it like it's the outro though? Stop! The cable! You fucking idiot!
Let's get batteries. Get the batteries.
Why do you have 4 hard drives?
I'm a hard drive collector, and I've been collecting hard drives for about 22
Alright, moving on.
Yeah.
Big James.
Play with the donkeys?
Like I bought these for us.
Are these horses, though? I thought these were horses.
Bitch. We did it. We've
Nice.
unlocked it. Good job.
Nice, dude. That was some good teamwork.
What's that mean? Nice. Holy shit, you made me into the ultimate utensil.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this Cow Chop compilation. If you enjoyed, please do check out another video right there, and you can sub to Cow Chop right there, and you can sub to me right there. I hope all those things are in their correct places. They should be all good and Papa bless. I gotta make them 20 seconds.